Reflection. So we have to reflect this triangle here, which is ABC, and we have to reflect that across the x-axis. So first of all, let's identify the x-axis. That's the one that goes across. So this is the x-axis. So we'll be using this line as our mirror line. So everything that's on this side of the mirror line will be folded over to this side. Anything that's on this side will come to this side. There's nothing on this side at the moment, so nothing will come onto this side. All the points are here, so they will all end up on this side of our mirror line. So let's get on with it. One of the important things to remember is that when we move points or shapes, the idea is that we move a point at a time across the mirror line. And remember, this is our mirror line. And we just judge or calculate or count the distance from each point to the mirror line, and then we repeat that process on the other side of the mirror line to find the location of the image of each point. The main thing to remember is that when we count from our points, we have to intersect with the mirror line at 90 degrees, like here. If we were going from this point, we would go like this, and so that we encounter the mirror line at 90 degrees. So it's pretty easy. We just follow the lines, really, of the grid. And if you can count, it should be pretty easy. So let's deal with point A. So we take point A and we count how many, squares it is until you get to the mirror line. In this case, it's 1. So on the other side, we count the same number of squares, 1. So right here is where we put A dash. We do the same process for B. So we go 1. On the other side, 1. So right here, this point here will be B dash. It's dash because it's the image of B. It's a copy. So let's do C. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we repeat that process. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the other side of the mirror line. So right here is C dash. So next thing we should do is we should really draw the new image so that we're actually reflecting the shape. So there, there, and there. And we've done our reflection. Nice and easy.